Guys, welcome back to another banger up in here. So today I'm gonna be teaching y'all how to make this type of microwavable mac and cheese, edible and delicious. So it doesn't matter what type of mac and cheese. You can have the video cheese, you can have whatever make. Does Kraft make it? If Kraft makes it, you can use this one. Kraft has a powder or well, still the same. So then what you're gonna do is mine says it has a fill line. So like a fill line, that. So we're gonna fill it. Come on, come with me. Now it's filled. It's filled. It's the fill line. Do not have to put it in the microwave for 3 minutes and 30 seconds. So I put it in for 3 seconds ain't gonna do anything, and I like my way past all down. 3 seconds ain't gonna do anything. I like just put 3. Wait, the banner woke us that get a little bit of good job. You can come here with us. You are really, you are fine. You are certified. Playing with the rock. You coloring up my line and stuff. There's some people hate that. I'm gonna talk about bullet. There's some people hate that. We still have. I don't cook, but I don't clean. I don't cook, but I don't clean. Yeah. Yes, I do the cooking. Yes, I do the cleaning. Welcome to McDonald's. Would you like to try? No, I would like to have. Shut up and let me finish. Or would you like to try a $6 bag? No, I would like a hamburger with fries. No, I would like a hamburger with fries. I don't even know the words. I just don't like how it sounds. It's like maybe 2 words or so. Heck to the no. It's flow, bro. Alright. Let me finish. Let me finish. Today we're having for dinner? Chili verde. It's a Mexican dish for y'all who are Mexican. Let me finish. I think it's done. Did I read it wrong? Hold up. Let me see. Is that enough, y'all? That cooked. I'm just gonna put it in there for the rest of the time. So God, it don't spill anymore. Bye. Y'all need to shut up and let me finish. No. That's not happening. No. Mom would have killed me. I don't even. No. I know it's right. I know it's 2 different sides. What the hell was my doing? Like, what? Yeah, what would that be my doing? Like, I didn't do that. I didn't even know. And I put it in the like this. You're me. Like, I didn't do that. Like, you're why am I getting a fork? You get a spoon. That was a little loud. A little loud. So, I'll put this right there. So take it and then just drain some of that thick stuff out. If there even isn't, just. Because why does it disappear? Like, okay. I think it's filming. I don't even think there's any in this one. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna need milk or butter. Milk or butter. Milk or butter. Milk or butter. Shut up and let me. Shut up and let me finish. No. That's a bad idea. No. I didn't get the spoon I wanted on accident. This one. And you're like, what? Don't matter what spoon you get. Yeah, for me, like this, but I'm not using this spoon. I'm just using the end of it because I like to get my hands with cheese on them. And then you just wrap the rest. And then there you go. You got like, you got it on me. You got like all the cheese on file. You just shut up and let me finish. Okay. Wait a minute. Got in the kitchen, got a lot of dishes. Bloop. Just go. It does look nasty though. Wow, I but I can make the rest of them. Like, y'all gonna have to watch my videos. Oh, thank y'all for 15 subscribers. I'm trying to get to 50 so I can start live streaming. And if I start live streaming, I'm gonna be shouting out, writing names down, like doing what a regular person would do. Like, get ready with me, and da-da-da-da-da. Get ready with me to, like, go out somewhere or something. Skate a rink or something. Because remember, y'all, it's summertime for, I just don't know. I feel like I'm the best 10-year-old cook out there on YouTube. Except for, like, chefs that use microwaves. Because, like, I use microwaves for a lot of things. I knew it wasn't done. Wait, is it done? You need to shut up and let me. It just smells like powdered cheese with milk. Sorry, girls, you heard me. Heard me. I'm covered chili. Sorry, girls. Take whatever type of cheese we have. I have mozzarella. Cool. It has to be shredded, like a mixed kind or something. Add some cheese in it to your liking, because the more cheese, the better. That's all I know. And that's my cheese. Put it in the microwave for 30 seconds, and that doesn't work. Put it in for 15 seconds, and then that doesn't work. Put it in for another 15 seconds. You break up that last 30 into 2, so it just doesn't, like, make the cheese look good. It just, one. So I'm gonna start putting it mine in for 30 seconds. Get off that cheese off my spoon. I'm gonna break the, I broke it a little. Cause I forgot that metal was stronger than cardboard. 30 seconds. La bando, what was that? And I live on a wood shot. You can come get rich with us. You go eat it, you go stop. Certified here, see I plan. Around Papa 20. Plan at the rock, Papa 20 colored, and I'm running this stuff. The people hate that I'm on the 20, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and it's done. I think mine is a 15-second because it was long. I'm telling you, you need to shut up and let me finish. No. That's a bad idea. No. Why are we doing this right now? I don't know. I'm just hungry. And I'm following a schedule. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And it's done. Bruh, let me do full lapping. Circle. That looks good. That's what you call looking good. Ready? Okay. And I just used marker. Bye. Hope you like it.